Hello everyone, the Real Shark Bait here, and in today's video, I'm showing you how to make a paper airplane out of toilet paper. So, let's actually just get straight into this. So, you're going to fold it in half, just like you would a normal paper airplane, and then you're going to, like that, and then you're going to open it up, and then do the little thingy where you fold it like this, and then do the same thing on the other side. So, this takes a second. Okay, so now that I have it like this, I'm going to fold it down. So it's like this, and then it will go to from that to this, like an envelope. Okay, and so now you will want to fold these down like this, so they go down like this, and they go down diagonally, and they don't stop at the line. And then you're going to do the exact same thing on the other side. You're going to give both of them a crease. You should have given the first one a crease a while ago because obviously you want to give it a crease. So, okay, so it's not really working for me, so I really hate it when this happens. So, let's do it like that. Okay, so, and then now we will fold this thing up on top of these. So it's like this. And now we will fold it backwards, like this, and then give it a crease and stuff. And then we want to fold it like this, like that, and then turn it around, and we want to do the exact same thing. And now you have your paper airplane. You want to crease the top, and voila. So yeah, I'll show you how it flies. So it flies. Okay, that was a horrible demonstration. Okay, sorry about that. So my plane just fell apart. So this is a pretty easy to break plane. And you guys might notice that I'm not at my house, and there is no doubt about that. So, yeah, this flies nicely. So, oh my gosh, I'm so bad at filming it. But like it kind of flies like on its own. But I think you guys get the point. It kind of turns around and stuff. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.